think on life. So let us look at the thing in Houdini is complete. Let me open Maya. This can take a little bit of time. Open. Why okay. All right. So we're gonna be grouping the lights because we don't need the lights for now. So group the lights and even the plane non-characters. So we can hide them. Okay. We just have these. So even inside these, the outfits are not really, these are not really needed for rigging purposes only. So we can hide that as well. Before hiding that, all you can do is create a display layer. The first layer should contain the body. So just select the body, select the layer, and at selected objects, you have to select the body. Give it a color. Okay, body layer. Yeah, and underscore should be there. Okay, body layer is all right, and all three of these should be in another layer. So add another layer, and it is non-body layer maybe, and all right, save it. So add selected objects. So what you can do is visually. Okay, so select that. This is the thing. Now here it is a little bit difficult to do the rigging because I have made the rigging script for what it is called as yeah um sorry, I'll need it so you can open the script. I don't know where it's gonna source it. Rig UI. So this is the script I'm looking for. Okay, so it is doing the work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run the script. No object matches 178. Oh yeah, the shit thing. 178. I know about this. This is because I've made a global command which does not have LJI translate Y. So it's going to store in global Y. So this has to be done a little bit neatly. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to comment it out for now. Yes, yeah, why not? Okay, so run this script. So this is the UI that we get. This is the previous script that I just made. Okay. So the first thing is we're going to rig the right body. So we should have I. So now to have an I, you go to the rigging tab and place this one tab 2 times and projected centering on. What I can do is go to wireframe mode and able to just have that there, which is not ideal. It should be somewhere here. That's all right. So yeah. Okay, and I'll look at X-ray as well. Not really X-ray, but X-ray joints. Not X-ray. Okay. So let's move it a little bit upwards. Let's move it a little bit forward. Create this. This is I. And it have the head. You have to do the same thing because we want the projected centering to work. So here somewhere you have the head. The thing about this one is we also need the rig for the ears as well. And maybe we're going to use the blend shapes for this purpose, but whatever it is. Okay. So, left. Use this one. Do this. Seems like it is in the right place. Okay, it is. So after that you need neck. So this hole is a neck. What we can do is duplicate that and bring it here. There are two joints. Joint 3, and you need abdomen joint. After that, cog, back. You need actually the chest joint. So the chest joint should be somewhere here. And you need back joint as well. So the back joint should be here somewhere. Abdomen should be here. And I know the cog joint is here, which is not ideal, of course. This is not how the joints work, but whatever it is, we should do it. Alright. Another thing is that we need L-toe bottom, and we also need a jawbone here. So in order to do that, what you can do is grab this, not really, in the center, you can grab the head joint and duplicate that to the front and have that here. Okay, this is jaw. And after that, what you can do is you can go here and you can do again the projected centering on, and you can have the L humerus part here. This is L humerus. This has to be joined. We know that the thing is not really great. Okay, it's all right. But we just need the toes here. And this is not how it works. It works a little bit differently in four-legged stuffs. So what you can do is do the same thing, but we are not obliged to do anything else. Okay, this is it. These are the other joints. Actually, yeah, fingers is what we need. So not have those, you have to have fingers. We do not have any fingers, so we want to do that here. We will handle the scripting afterwards, because the first thing is to rig finger. And rigging the finger is not something that is needed here in this case. So we'll just rig this using the script. Okay. After that, and everything is set up, this one has to be set up as well. This one. So, in order to set up that, we have to have same thing back. So I'm just going to use a projected centering in order to get the thing in the center. And you're going to have that here, here as well. And that's all right. What you can do is, after that, go again here. Use this like that. Okay, that's all right. Everything looks quite good. Now this is it. Okay, let me rename this. This is basically eye. This is jaw joint, and this is what it is. It is basically the head joint. What the heck is head? So this is basically, this is the neck joint. We also need a neck bottom joint, which is not here. So grab that. No, not to grab here. So it's gonna mess up. Okay, this is the bottom neck. So this is the neck joint. This is the bottom neck. Neck bottom. This is chest, I guess. Chest. This is back joint. This is the, what is called as abdomen joint. This is the cock joint. Shit. This is the cock joint that we have. Okay. So after this is done, we can initialize the script. No, actually, here is the naming convention is messed up as well. So you have to look at these. You should have L humerus. This is L humerus, L radius. This is L wrist. That sounds comedy to me. And this is basically L femur. And this is, oh, actually, this is femur. This is fibula. It's fibula, femur, and this is ankle. Ankle. And also this is toe bottom. This is the toe. And this is it. I think naming is done for now. Okay. After doing this, we can just start rigging this bit. Rig finger is not going to work because there's no anything. Rig limbs is also, yeah, rig limbs does work. Yeah, it works, surprisingly. That is super cool. Okay. But the thing is that the back of the limbs have not worked. So we have to think about those as well. I think we need some checkboxes here because some of the commands, if rig finger is done, then only the command has to be executed. And that's basically the problem with this rig. The type of rig is four-legged and human. I created this, but it does not have that shit. That thing. All right. So I create this a four-legged after some time because it does not really matter to me for now. The thing is that no object matches the name. What the heck? L thumb is value admire 522. So this dot add 522 line number. Oh shit, line number. 522 here. So parent side wrist. Join the fingers to the limb. This is basically not really needed, right? Join the fingers to the limb. Fibula. So this one is only needed when a certain thing, when the finger has been rigged. Since finger is not rigged, they should not be executed. So this is how. So I think I have to create a tuple, a dictionary, or whatever it is called, this thing here, so that we can know the rig const or whatever rig condition. So you can do this, and the rig condition fingers. You can do fingers. Wait for a second. There's no need to write the whole thing. Finger It's true. Fingers false. And let me write other stuff as well. Fingers false. Limbs false. Body false. And eye, jaw false. So I guess this should work. So after this has been created, we're going to check the condition whether this fingers is false or true. If it is true, then only that thing is going to be executed. So at line number 522, I'm using text editor, which is of the 90s, but I'm comfortable with it. Okay, 522. At 522, we have this one. So join F. This one is the culprit. So now to do this, what I can do is we do not want to. If what I can do, the first thing, wait for a second. The first thing is at riglimbs x. After riglimbs x, what you have to do is you have to set the rig condition limbs true. This is what it should be. Oh shit, it is really 569. So 569 limbs set to true. Rig fingers for fingers now. Rig the body, rig body. Oh, here is the rig body. Rig condition. I think it should have the ability to update the UI as well. Whatever, I'm not going to do this for now. Rig condition, body should match true. So the body should be true now. Body should be true. And eye, jaw, rig eye, jaw, rig face, rig eye, rig face, rig jaw, rig face, and everything is rigged. So after that, what we have to do is rig condition. Eye, jaw should be true. I do not know whether this works or not, but yeah, it works. It's a syntax error, it's not there. Okay, and rig limbs, it has been done for this. Rig limbs is what is the most complex code I've written. I know that this is very rigorous and redundant, but yeah, it looks good. So it's like, okay, only the fingers. It's kind of legacy code. Rig finger here. What you can do is with condition fingers to do this. After it has been set, after deleting the rig, even oh shit, we have to set it again to false. After deleting the rig, what you can do is set rig condition fingers false. Okay. So again, we have to go at each of those delete trims. So rig condition limbs false. In new doing rig limbs, delete eye rig. This is basically a jaw. So rig condition eye jaw should be equal to what the heck? False. And again, let us go towards rigging. Delete body rig. and delete body rig. Oh shit. A body rig, what you can do is rig condition. Body should be false. Okay, so let me run this. It's all right. Okay, so to fix many things here, because the thing is that there are some of the commands. The first thing, I'm going to straight go to line 522 and fix that thing, so that, okay, join of site. All right, I'm gonna have if rig condition fingers true, then only execute these, because it does not make sense. Okay, all right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna rig the finger, I'm gonna rig the limbs. Yeah, is already a child of the parent. Also is a script child of also bottom. Okay. Now the thing that I learned is that this one has what the, this should not be joined. I thought we'll join these, but yeah, it's not. Okay, rig limbs done. So the limbs are done. This is good, right? So you can delete the rim sling. Here again, L thumb. In order to delete the limbs rig, what you have is L thumb. L thumb, L thumb, L thumb. Line 575 here, and the fingers for S in fingers is not needed totally. So if rig condition rig fingers is equal to true, then only execute these. If not, then not do that. So rig fingers are true. Okay. So do is this, and then instead that is all right. We can even do the rig function. We can redefine the rig function to what the heck is rig function? Is regex. We can redefine the rig function to print the rig condition. Define rig x print rig condition. So it's going to be easy to debug after that. Okay, rig fingers false. Okay. After that, what you can do is rig limbs. Everything's right, and false limbs are true. Delete limbs and rig. Everything's false again. All right. So after that, what you can do is after rigging the limbs, before rigging the limbs, rig the body. It's going to have an error. An object matches the name of fibula, and it is line 152. So to go to the line 152 to look at that. Okay. Our fibula, parent, everything to this one. This whole command is basically not needed. Fibula. These two commands are not needed really to parent these two. All right. So what you can do is if rig condition only and only limbs is equal to true, then you can execute that. Otherwise, you don't. So you go like that, and it is going to be super cool. True. So what you can do is run this again. So now body false. Actually, the body had to be true. Yeah. So if delete body rig, already child, it's already the child, the parent. I would manually delete this because so do the body rig. The object named R fibula FK. Again, 156. Fibula FK. I think the whole thing should be done. Got so want you to do this. Gonna do this. Oh man, seems like shit. Okay. It should do now. Body. Yeah. Now I know that it is not ideal. It should be vertical thing. Delete body rig. Yeah, again, RFibula. Then delete body rig. Sort thing. What?
Huh?
What are you talking about? For I in FK, we should do this. Good. If rig, this indentation is killing me. Limbs. I don't know the Python. Shitty language. True. I actually want to know where the indentation was, but it is not done. Okay. Okay. And sort it out. So we're gonna rig the body. Do the body. 180 constant name. The control name, the constraint is not there. Let's check. Here. Okay. Limbs. Maybe it does something. I do not really understand what it does. So rig the body. Build the body rig. 182. Shitty thing. Make the body. There, right? Oh shit. It has to delete all of those. Actually, if the error is not there, it's going to be alright. You should rig limbs and then rig the body. It's gonna do it, right? And delete the body rig. Dimensional name, J abdomen control const. Shit. Rig limbs. Limbs are true. Rig body. Limbs and body are true. Big eyes are. Yeah. This has to be on again because that is there. Okay. This seems like it is an intermediate state. We also have the tail to be rigged as well. I think I'll use spline IK in order to rig the tail, which I have less information about. The other joints I've just automated in this, what it is called, the script, but in this case I've not done it. So the tail rig as well, I have to rig it. I have to have that right. So I do not know from where we're going to get the values of the checkbox. Okay. And the first thing is to rig the limbs. Rig the limbs, rig the body, the eye jaw. Super cool. Body, eye, angry. Oh shit. Rig face should be only done if blend shift are done. So 211. Where is rig face? Yeah, the rig eye should be the rig face. For now, it should be moved. Alright, delete body rig. Delete limbs rig. So again, rig limbs, rig body. The thing about limbs are that they're alright working condition. This has to be backwards like that, slightly, not even slightly. It has to be backwards. Identity for those. Okay, now it works. Oh, what the heck is happening? It has to do that upwards as well. So that oh shitty thing. I do not know how it should be perfect. Like that maybe. Holy moly. This is going to be super fluctuating at man when I do. Fuck is that? Is there an aim constraint left off? I don't really know. Whatever. I'm trying to touch this. That seems to be super cool. And what the fuck is the cog joint? Yeah. moderating Tilda himself. It seems like after making a script, rigging is a bit easier. Just a little bit. Thing is that I'm not gonna waste any time more scripting. Yes, I want to be. I'm better off being an artist rather than being a scripter. After rigging, rig the limbs, rig the body, rig the eye, jaw. No, all right. This is what we have for now. Actually, we should have better because body. All of those have not so good rotations. We're just gonna fix those at some time. And for now, I'm gonna stop the stream.